Hey guys, this is Braden here. We're on testing day 3. I've got 3 Draco diffs in the Savage Flux XL, and I've nearly finished one set of packs. Things are going well. There's still a diff action in the front and in the rear. A little stiffer in the rear. And the motor mount is doing well also. Yeah, so let's continue. Okay guys, so you're looking at the rear diff. Today's the 24th of December and I did 3 lipo packs. So the diff seems to be intact. There's still diff action, but when I flip it and I do this, there seems to be a little binding, and but it's not present on the other side, so I have to investigate what that is. Anyway, let's pull it to pieces and look at the individual components. Okay guys, so here's the Diff Disassembled. Let's look at each part. So the cap gear is looking pretty good. Let's have a look. No change I feel from the last test. You can see there is some material missing a little, but nothing too noticeable. The lower gears, let's have a look here. Yeah, you can see still straight. Let's try another part. Yeah, okay. Next one. I mean, for some reason this is binding, but it seems only if you turn the gear side out drive it binds. So I have to do some investigating to find out what's causing that. Yeah, and the gear side. You can see there's a little flat there. Okay. And the plates. So some wear on here. A little dirty. Yep. It's not digging in too much. Okay, and the top gears. You can see there's a little contact there. So this is closer to the gear side, so this could explain the difference in motion. So if I spin the bottom one, it's free, but if I spin the top one, it binds a little. So not too sure what's going on. And the case, hopefully you can see that. Yeah, it's a little dirty there, maybe. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's just oil. Let's check. Ah, yes, it's just oil. Now it's gone. Alright, so things are looking good. Alright, so I will continue with the test. But next, you will see the front diff. Okay guys, moving on to the front diff. Initial checks are good. It's still functioning normally, as you can see. Very free. So let's disassemble and find out what it looks like inside. Okay, so as you can see with the oil, the plates don't move so much. Kind of keep them together. Alright, so let's take out the rest of the components and check them. Okay guys, so all the parts are laid out. Let's have a look. So this is the cap side gear, and teeth look good, but I did notice some, oh, there was a chip on one here. So right on the corner of this, there is a chip. That wasn't there before. The teeth look fine. There is some wear, but not uneven wear. Oh, some material. It's flattened on this side. Okay, the next gears. These are okay. Yep. The other one looks good. Okay, now all the plates have just a little bit of wear on this one, but nothing significant. The upper gears are the same. Right, and then the top gear. Now, this one has some of the teeth, the faces of the teeth are a little flattened on one side from contact. You can see there is some dark spots. Nothing too bad though. Yeah. Okay, so I will clean this up, put it back together, and I will do one more test and put it back in my vehicle. We will do test number 4 next. Thanks guys for watching. Leave any comments below. Any questions? Thank you.